Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I'm a pediatric physical therapist, and I am here with Ilya. And Ilya is 4 months old, and he was born 1 month premature, so he's more like a 3-month-old child. One of the things that has happened with Ilya is he's developed a strong preference to turn his head to the right and actually shorten the right side. Usually see the other side tighten. One of the things you want to look for with these kids who have the preference of turning their head one way is to see if it's translating down into the shoulder. So if you turn your head off to the right, you can feel your right shoulder tightening up. And the same thing happens with them. And that affects their ability to prop on their arms when they're on their stomach. So they'll end up with one side further back when they're on their stomach. So you want to check and see if they're developing this tightness too. I know, I hear it. So I'm going to lift up one arm. Oh. I hear. Theoretically. So I'm going with really gentle pressure. If he's fighting me a lot, then I'm not overrunning it. I hear. Can I see your arms? So one goes up. And one goes up and the other one goes up. I can do them one at a time, whoop, or both at the same time. I hear, yeah. Both at the same time. Sometimes my parents say they call this touchdown, touchdown. And we saw with Ilya that when he was on his stomach that his elbows were behind his shoulders. So a lot of times you'll see shoulder tightness in those kids when their arms, when they're propping on their belly, is way back. So you want to start working on bringing those arms forward for those kids, especially when they're on their tummy, if their elbows are back relative to their shoulder. So Ilya's arms were back, so I want his mom to start working on these touchdown moves. I hope this is something that's helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.